how to game share on PS5. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to game share on PS5. First, press the PS button on your controller to open up the control center and select the party voice chat card. Then select Start Share Play. Invite a friend and then select a play mode. Next, Share Play starts when the player joins and becomes your visitor. You can use Share Play with only one visitor at a time. If you want to use Share Play with a guest account, go to Settings, then Family and Parental Controls, and PS5 Console Restrictions, and select User Creation and Guest Login, then Allow. For best performance, we recommend a high-speed connection of at least 2 Mbps for you and your visitor. If the invited player isn't a PlayStation Plus member, Share Play with a visitor cannot be selected. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.